We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels
Sing
right.
happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, isa pa mas malakas. Happy birthday to you. Mas malakas na din. Mas malakas pa. Happy first birthday, ladies and gentlemen, Ibiaga Jolly Batangas Burgos, sila si PML Senior Foreigners. Ang wish ko para sa'yo, sana manatili ka maging mapagmahal kay mommy, kay daddy, and of course, sa lahat. And now let's ask Jollibee and Hetty. Balita ko meron din kayo nakaprepared na mga wishes para kay Nick. Okay. So ikaw, Hetty, ilan ang nakatamang wish para sa kanya? Okay, dalawa. Tama ba? Okay, dalawa. At ikaw naman, Jollibee, ilan? Okay, so Jollibee, tatlong wish na para sa'yo. So let's ask our lady. Ladies first, tama? Okay. So ang first ni Hetty. Okay, ang wish ni Hetty para sa iyong mix, ikaw, ay lumaking. Yan, madasaling bata. Yay! At ang ikalawa. Oh, wait na. Oh, nag-iisip ka. Wait na. Si Nix ay lumaking. Matalino bata. Wala ka sa malambang para kay Hetty. Nagtanong pa yung Hetty, ah. At syempre ikaw naman, Jollibee. What is your... Oh, space daw sabi ni Jollibee. Okay. Medyo pa nakita, medyo madrama. Okay, Jollibee, ready ka na. Okay, sa wish sa'yo ni Jollibee. Ikaw ay lumaking. Number 1 sa lahat ng bagay. Okay. Naunguna sa lahat ng bagay. At ang ikalawa, si Nix ay lumaking. Pogi. At macho. Katulad ni Jollibee. Baka nang maging magulog. Tingnan mo naman. Nakadamit na. No, katulad ni Daddy. Okay. At ang pinakahuli. Si Mitch ay lumaking. Strong and healthy. Wala ka sa malanggang para kay Jollibee. And now, to make the celebration, sabay-sabay natin sabihin na go. Pagbilang ka na tatlo. 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Wala ka sa malanggang para kay Princess.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing
celebration. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels